Welcome back, fellow traders. Today we have an incredible trading strategy that combines the power of Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index to bring you a winning formula. If you've been searching for a Bollinger Band strategy that works, you're in for a treat. This fantastic and unique Bollinger Band RSI trading strategy suits traders of every level, from beginners to seasoned professionals. So get ready to discover a strategy that not only empowers you with clear entry and exit signals, but also provides a solid foundation for profitable trades. Let's dive in. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. This is a simple, easy-to-use strategy that has a pretty high success rate if you use it correctly. Well, enough talk, let's get straight to it. So first of all, I'll quickly cross out these indicators and add them again so I can explain their settings from the beginning. Adding Bollinger Bands. The initial step of implementing this strategy involves setting up the Bollinger Bands, a remarkable indicator renowned for its ability to identify crucial support and resistance levels. If you are not yet familiar with Bollinger Bands, you are fortunate to have found this video, as it serves as an excellent guide for leveraging this indicator effectively. To begin, access your preferred trading chart platform such as TradingView and navigate to the Indicators tab. Search for Bollinger Bands and select this one from the options presented. While TradingView's default settings are adequate, specific adjustments are necessary to optimize this strategy. So we will access the settings for this indicator and start by modifying the length value to 30 within the designated section and ensure that the standard deviation is set to 2. Additionally, customization options are available for personalizing the indicator's appearance, such as removing the background and changing the lines to red. These adjustments are subjective and can be tailored according to individual preferences. Now, let's delve briefly into the mechanics of Bollinger Bands. The central line represents the moving average, which is calculated by considering the specified length and determining the average among the corresponding candlesticks. In the context of this strategy, we utilize a 30 candlestick period. The upper and lower lines depict the standard deviation lines. With the Bollinger Bands now configured, we can proceed to add the RSI indicator to our analysis. To do so, we will return to the Indicators tab and type RSI in the search field and select the top option labeled Relative Strength Index. Upon incorporating RSI, minor adjustments to the settings are necessary. In the Style section, set the upper band to 70 and the lower band to 30 to establish appropriate thresholds. And in the Input section, while the default length value is typically 14, we recommend adjusting it to 13 for this particular strategy. If you are unfamiliar with RSI, it is a valuable indicator for gauging overbought and oversold conditions in a given security. A reading above 70 suggests overbought conditions, while a reading below 30 indicates oversold conditions. Now, it is time to synergize these two indicators and generate profitable trades. However, before proceeding, it is crucial to stay engaged and watch the entirety of this video. By the way, if you guys want amazing free buy and sell trades, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. So, what exactly is mean reversion? Mean refers to the average, while reversion signifies returning to a previous state. In simpler terms, mean reversion implies a tendency to revert back to the average, which is precisely what we aim to achieve with this strategy. For instance, following a significant price movement in either direction, we can reasonably anticipate that the price will eventually revert back to the average. Therefore, if the price exceeds the upper Bollinger Band, it suggests a potential sell trade opportunity. Conversely, if the price falls below the lower Bollinger Band, it indicates a potential buy trade opportunity. While this criterion appears straightforward, relying solely on it may yield suboptimal results. Thus, the incorporation of the RSI indicator becomes crucial. As exemplified in the provided example, the price frequently surpasses or dips below the Bollinger Bands, leading to numerous false signals. By basing trades solely on these occurrences, one would likely encounter losses. To address this challenge, we introduce an additional requirement, which is the trade should only be executed when the RSI reaches an extreme value. Now that we have a basic understanding of the strategy and the indicators used in it, now let's go through some examples of a buy trade. By the way, if you guys want free buy and sell trade signals, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Buy trade rule. So these are the two conditions that need to be fulfilled for a buy signal to be valid. We will enter a buy trade only when the price falls below the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI drops below 30. Here we can see initially the price falls below the bottom Bollinger Band. So after this, we will await the RSI line to dip below 30. Once it descends below 25, we execute a buy trade. So if we would have opened a buy position here, we can see the amazing risk to reward ratio we would have got here. As expected, the price reverts back to the average, resulting in a successful outcome. Let's go through one more example of a buy trade to understand the strategy better. Here we see the price went below the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI also went below the 30 mark. So you guys can see if we would have opened a buy trade at this signal, the market would have reverted back, and this position could have made us amazing profits. Now, let's go through some positions for sell trades. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. Sell trade rules. So these are the two conditions that need to be fulfilled for a sell signal to be valid. So for sell trade, the price first needs to cross above the upper Bollinger Band. And then we will confirm this signal by looking at the RSI. And if the RSI is above the 75 line, this means we can go ahead and place a sell position. And if we would have opened a sell position here, you guys can see this would have been an amazing profitable sell trade. Here we see the market again crossed above the upper Bollinger Band, indicating that there is a reversal expected in the market. And we can see the RSI confirms this. Patience is the key. Make sure you enter a trade when these two conditions are fulfilled. Of course, no strategy is profitable all the time, but this one seems to give profitable signals most of the time. Bollinger Band Strategy Summary. Overall, this strategy is suitable for traders of all levels. It offers clear entry and exit signals, paving the way for profitable trade. By setting up the Bollinger Bands with specific parameters and incorporating the RSI, we aim to capitalize on mean reversion, entering buy trades when the price falls below the lower Bollinger Band and the RSI drops below 30, and sell trades when the price exceeds the upper Bollinger Band and RSI surpasses 75 marks. If you found this video beneficial, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.